Watch that guy. And if he gets the ball... Boy, that was some tackle.
What a grip. You sure got strength in your arms.
That's from playing the violin. Gives you muscle.
Consideration for your mother's feelings?
Ronnie, if you hurt yourself, what could we do?
Gee, I made a touchdown.
Oh, at last a home. Being cooped up in those 6 suites at the Beverly Arcadia hotels had me practically screaming.
I believe we'll be quite comfortable here, Lottie.
My room will have to be done over. I don't like green.
And mine, green makes me bilious.
Well, what do you think of this place? Nice little lean-to, isn't it?
It was I who convinced Mr. Gifford that Ronnie could take care of his record and radio contracts without interfering with his motion picture work.
Oh, boy. A swimming pool.
Jerry, have the pool drained at once and build a fence round it. He might fall in.
You're quite right. If anything happens to the boy, what would happen to us?
I don't see why I can't have the kids over to play sometime.
That will do, Ronnie. I've told you you must have nothing to do with those rough studio boys. And that's final.
Wasting your time playing when you should be studying.
My heavens. Come, Ronnie. It's time you should be practicing for your broadcast tonight.
Why do I have to practice? I've played them 100 times. Why can't I go out and play like other boys do?
We fret and worry to see that you keep improving. And this is the thanks we get. You must learn the meaning of gratitude.
All right, then. Do you have to follow me everywhere I go?
That's what they hired me for. Ain't I your bodyguard?
Well, nothing's going to happen to me in here.
Hey, do you think you could squeeze in Schubert's Serenade for me? The way you play it, it does something to me.
Well, I'll try.
Thanks.
Dear Kreutzer, if he heard the way you have played it, he would turn over in his grave.
I know the piece. Why do I have to practice it?
What you need is discipline, and I'm going to give it to you. Now we'll try it again. Ronnie, I'm ashamed of you. How do you stop this thing? There ought to be a law against selling such music.
want it. I'm sick of the thing. Oh, so you're a retriever, eh? Well, since you like it so much, you might as well wear it. Now go on, honey. Shoot. Oh, well, have it your own way. Come on.
But it's your business to know where Ronnie is. Where is he?
I don't know. I tell you, I was standing at that door all the time, and I didn't hear nothing.
Then who hit me on the head and threw me into the closet?
It looks like a well-planned job to me. It was done so silent-like.
What do you mean?
Kidnappers.
Kidnappers? We're ruined. Heavens, I'm bankrupt.
Certainly. We looked everywhere for him. He's gone, I tell you. Disappeared. Vanished.
Mr. Price, I'll come right over myself. When did you list the boy?
This morning.
What's your name? You live here?
Yes?
Who are you?
Bodyguard.
You?
Step up.
Put out a general broadcast. Ronald Kimball has disappeared.
Regarding Ronald Kimball, here's the description. Age 10, height 4 feet 10 inches, weight 112 pounds, last seen wearing Eton jacket, black Windsor tie.
Hi there, new kid. Come on in. Thanks, I shall. Hey, can you swim? No.
What did you dive in for? He said he was smart.
Well, he said to.
Oh, I wouldn't dive in there if I didn't know how to swim. You had some nerve.
I'll say, come on. Who's a little sister? Who's a little sister? That's mine. Leave it alone. You think you're smart, don't you? Gee, kid, you're a regular scrapper.
I'll say.
Boy, that's a swell name. Yes. Scrapper.
Ronnie Kimball, boy violinist. Police have discarded the theory that the Gollinger gang was implicated, as various members of it have been reported seen in the southern states. This concludes our news broadcast for this period. However, any further developments on the Ronnie Kimball case will be flashed to you immediately. We now continue with our program.
The newsboys sure get things right. So the Gollinger gang's heading south. Where do they think we're going? Florida for the winter?
I'll be glad when the chief shows up. There's too many people around here to suit me.
What difference does it make if the chief got here first? We gotta wait for Duke. He's bringing the sugar.
Here. Do you know who that bloke Robbins is? He paid $3 million income tax last year. Seems a pity to let the government have all that money. I wonder how we could get some of it.
Listen, Popcorn, don't do no figuring until Gollinger gets here.
Oh, and did you hear the news? Fancy trying to hang that Kimball case on us. Now, that kid ought to be worth $100 grand. They say he's feeding a bunch of leeches that robs him of every penny he makes. Disgusting, I calls it.
Yeah. Can you imagine selfish people like that picking on a poor, helpless kid?
Maybe we could figure an angle to, muscle in on this local mob.
Yeah, I mean, we could, huh?
Listen, you dopes, didn't I tell you we can't do anything till the chief gets here? I wish the Duke could get here. He's the guy I'm anxious to see.
Maybe he decided to go to Mexico alone.
Not that you, boy. He's as honest as I am. Why worry about it?
Not him I'm worried about. The dough he's carrying in that little black bag. You know what that means to us.
Yeah, heavy sugar for us, and a passport out of the country for Gollinger.
Here's hoping that nothing happens to that little black bag.
I'm sorry. I thought you were an Indian. Flat tire?
What does it look like, the measles? You better take it on the lam, kid.
What?
Beat it, I got work to do.
If you turn it the other way, it'll work.
Are you still here?
See, didn't I tell you it'd work?
All right, go on, beat it.
Here, I'll help you. Come on, I'll help you finish it.
I was afraid of that. What's your name, kid?
Scrapper. At least that's what they call me.
Oh, a tough guy, huh? My name's Duke.
Oh, you the Duke of something? Like the Duke of York? I met a Duke once.
No, they just call me that on account of because I'm a snappy dresser. You know, a ladies' man.
Gee, I'll bet I know what you are. You're a G-man.
Huh?
Are you on a case?
Now listen, Scrapper, I can't say nothing. You see, us G-men gotta work secret-like. You didn't even see me if anybody asked you. Gotta turn off up here for Pinecrest. That's a joint way up in the mountains. But say, I ain't supposed to tell you nothing. I didn't, see?
Okay, Duke. How about letting me switch on the radio? Just a minute.
Well, all right. Only I wish it was time for Amos and Andy.
Friends, we are interrupting this program to give you the latest developments in the Kimball case. Police are now of the opinion that Gollinger is implicated. We regret to say that due to the disappearance of Ronnie Kimball, tonight's Hoosier Health Food program featuring the young violinist will not be heard.
Can you imagine that? Gollinger never even heard of that kid.
Duke, you certainly are smart. You're a swell G-man.
That's why they hired me.
Gollinger had nothing to do with it, because Ronnie Kimball wasn't kidnapped.
How do you know?
Because I'm Ronnie Kimball. I wasn't kidnapped. I just ran away.
Well, yours is just kidding. Ain't that it?
No, Duke, I'm not kidding. I'm really Ronnie Kimball. I switched clothes with a scarecrow.
Holy gee.
Well, what's the matter, Duke?
Yours is a fine one, you is. Not telling me. That's like double-crossing. Every cop in the country's out looking for you. You want me to get picked up?
Well, they can't do anything to you.
Ah, but you see, that means I gotta do a lot of explaining. I gotta dump you and quick. Here, Scrappers, a couple of bucks. It'll get you home. If them cops catch you, don't talk.
Well, won't ain't I ever going to see you again?
Oh, sure, Scrapper. We's pals. If you ever get to Washington, look me up.